Hello everyone, welcome to this series on literary terms and literary theory. If you want to study the notes and MCQs related to this term, you can click the link given in the description. We are also going to start our online and offline classes for UGC NET for English literature very soon. So stay connected with us. In this video, we will discuss terms form and structure. Introduction. The term form is a multifaceted concept in literary criticism, encompassing various meanings and interpretations. It is commonly used to refer to literary genres or types such as the lyric form or the short story form, as well as patterns of meter, lines, and rhymes such as the verse form or the stanza form. However, form also holds a central critical concept that determines the organization and order of a literary work. The concept of form is not merely a static container for content, but varies based on the critic's theoretical orientation and assumptions. Neoclassical view. In neoclassical criticism, form is viewed as a combination of competent parts that are harmoniously matched to each other, following the principle of decorum or mutual fittingness. St. Coleridge, influenced by German critic A. W. Schlegel, introduced the distinction between mechanic form akin to shaping clay with a mold and organic form, which evolves from within and achieves unity and perfection in its outward shape. Organic critics conceive a literary work as a living organism with parts interdependent on the whole, evolving to achieve its form through internal energy. New criticism and structuralism. New critics often use form interchangeably with structure, perceiving it as an equilibrium, interaction, or ironic and paradoxical tension of diverse words and images, creating an organized totality of meanings. Archetypal theorists view form as recurring plot shapes shared with myths, rituals, dreams, and elemental human experiences. Structuralist critics, on the other hand, liken literary structure to the systematic organization of language itself. Archetypal and Chicago School perspectives. R. S. Crane, a leading figure of the Chicago School of Criticism, revitalized Aristotle's concept of form and distinguished it from structure. The form of a literary work is its dynamics or emotional power, the particular effect it intends to achieve, acting as its shaping principle. This principle guides and synthesizes the structure of the work, including the order, emphasis, and rendering of its component subject matter and parts into a beautiful and effective whole of a specific kind. The diverse interpretations and applications of form and structure have led to various critical approaches and methodologies. From formalism to organic criticism, each perspective brings a unique lens through which literature can be analyzed, understood, and appreciated. This multiplicity of viewpoints enriches the study of literature, offering readers and critics a deeper understanding of the intricate relationship between form and content. Conclusion. In conclusion, the concept of form in literary criticism holds diverse meanings encompassing genres, patterns, and the central organizing principle of a work. Critics from different schools of thought offer distinct interpretations, enriching the understanding and appreciation of literature's complexities. By exploring these various perspectives, scholars continue to unveil new insights into the artistry and significance of literary form and structure. So this was the discussion on the term form and structure. We will meet in the next video and discuss some other term. Until then, goodbye and thank you.